So in this video I will teach you that how to create an amazing text outline in Canva. So how you can do this, like we will go to the text section and we will add a heading like welcome to Omar. So you can see now we have a text here. So if we want to apply, text outline, so what we can do, like we can go to effect section, and here you can see styles, and one of them is outline. So you can click on outline, and now here are two things that you can apply, like thickness of the outline you can increase or decrease. Second, we can change the color, like for example this one or any color that you want to apply. And the text color, like from here we can change. Now see, it looks professional. So again we can go back to the effect section and outline, see thickness more. If you want to increase, so you can increase. So this is the easy method to create an amazing text outline in Canva. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends. Thank you so much once again.